If you're already scheduling content through Sked, the easiest way to repost something is to choose the Upload via Instagram URL option when you're creating a post inside the app. Go to Upload and select the account you want to upload to. Click Instagram URL and then Upload from Instagram URL. Copy and paste the link from Instagram and a preview of the image will pop up. Click Upload Post. Click Continue. Now add your captions, comments, and tags. Sked automatically adds in the photo credit for you. Send it to your drafts or the queue or schedule it for a certain date and time. Then click Submit and create post. If you are using Google Chrome, you can download the Sked Social Regram extension. First, download Sked Social Regram from the Chrome Web Store. The link is in this article. Next, open the Instagram photo on your computer. Tap the Sked icon in your browser to open the Regram screen. Then select your account, write up a caption, and schedule the post. Happy scheduling!